Imagine waking up 10 years from now, stuck in the same financial mess, the same unfulfilling job, the same cycle of wishing but never achieving. Now, picture a different future, one where you own your time, your money works for you, and you control your destiny. Success leaves clues. If you do what successful people do, you'll get what they have. Tony Robbins cracked the code on success, and today, you're going to learn his ultimate success formula, the exact blueprint to turn your goals into reality. But fair warning, this isn't for everyone. It's only for those ready to stop dreaming and start doing. Still waiting for motivation to strike? Yeah, let's not be that guy. Let's dive in. Step 1. Know your outcome. Most people fail before they even start. Why? Because they have no clue what they actually want. Saying, "I want to be rich" is like telling your GPS, "Take me somewhere nice." It doesn't work. Clarity is power. The first step? Get crystal clear on your outcome. How much money do you want? By when? Doing what? Instead of, "I want to be rich," say, "I will build a $10,000 per month income stream within 1 year through smart investments and high-income skills." Boom. Now you have a target. Step 2. Take massive action. Look, watching success videos won't magically make you successful. Action does. But here's the problem. Most people take small, safe steps and wonder why nothing changes. You have to take massive action. Massive action means doing whatever it takes. You want to build wealth? Start learning high-income skills today. Invest. Network. Build assets. Stop waiting for the right time, because that time is now. Remember, imperfect action beats perfect inaction every time. Step 3. Measure progress. What gets measured gets managed. If you don't track your progress, you're driving blind. If you're running east looking for a sunset, you're never going to get there. Track your finances. Measure your growth. If something isn't working, adjust. The wealthy don't guess their way to success. They measure and optimize. Step 4. Change your approach. If what you're doing isn't working, change it. Sounds simple, right? Yet most people keep repeating the same mistakes expecting different results. That's the definition of insanity. If one approach doesn't work, find another, and another, and another, until you succeed. Winners don't quit, they pivot. If one investment fails, find a better one. If one business model flops, tweak it. Adapt or stay broke. It's that simple. Yeah. Don't be like this guy. Step 5. Build an unstoppable psychology. The biggest obstacle to success? Your own mind. Fear, doubt, limiting beliefs. They keep you trapped. The only thing keeping you from getting what you want is the story you keep telling yourself. Change the story, change your life. Stop saying, "I'm bad with money." Say, "I'm learning to master wealth." Stop saying, "I'll start tomorrow." Say, "I take action now." Your mind is your most powerful asset or your biggest enemy. Right now, you have two choices. Keep doing what you've always done, or apply Tony Robbins' ultimate success formula and transform your life. Your life changes the moment you make a new decision. Decide today. Define your goal. Take massive action. Measure, adjust, and build an unstoppable mindset. Do this, and wealth, freedom, and success will follow. The choice is yours. If you're serious about taking control of your financial future, hit that subscribe button. We drop game-changing insights every week. Now go, make your success inevitable.